Why are you walking around like that? You look worried.
Emma, sweetheart, I need to tell you something.
Is it bad? Are we moving again?
No, we're staying here. It's about something I forgot. Something important.
What did you forget?
Remember last week when I promised to come to your school play? I said I sit in the front row and cheer the loudest.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't make it. I got caught up with work and...
I saw that, Dad. I looked for you. I kept looking, even when the play ended. Everyone else's parents were there. You weren't.
I know, Emma. I let you down, and that's not okay.
You always say work is important. Does that mean I'm not?
Emma, no. You are the most important thing in my life. I just made a mistake. A big one. And I'm so sorry.
I practiced so hard, Dad. I wanted you to see me.
I know, sweetheart, and I missed something so special, but I promise from now on I'll be there for you. I never let you come before you again.
You always say that, but if you forget again.
Look, I'm putting all your important days in here. Your school events, your birthdays, everything. And I'll set reminders. You'll help me, okay?
Okay.
Can I make it up to you? How about a movie night? Just the two of us. We'll even have ice cream for dinner. What do you say?
Ice cream for dinner?
Yep, your choice.
Okay, but next time don't just promise me. Show up, Dad.
I will, Emma, I promise, and I mean it this time.